my god, how can you get in that far? It's freezing! Oh my god, he's insane! I didn't think he'd actually get fully in. Then get the hell out, you crazy ass! You're crazy! It's the ocean! This is the Northwest! Hell no! Nobody's as crazy as you are.
I'm like numb already. You know why?
Because it's fucking crazy.
He's so excited. He's doing that little shake.
Rocky, what did Daddy doing? How you feeling, Brandon?
I feel fine. It's a little cold.
It's a little chilly. Here.
Before.
Get your towel on. Brandon's first time swimming in the Northwest. Freezing! Rocky, do you love the ocean?
It feels weird to dry off.
Rocky, look at Mama. Do you love the ocean? You're crazy.